I have no intention of escalating more issues. One, I have no intention of causing any blood relation of mine any kind of pain or harm or anything. It goes against my beliefs. It goes against what I stand for as a man. It goes against everything that even Sebi Papa Ijademame. I told you, sir, I'm very well trained. I'm so trained to the extent, say, Sebi will not permit me to do certain things. Never. And to me, Sebi, Nyamana Akocho Kaka, Nenso, blood is blood. No matter what is happening, Biano, Sebi, when I make an ABS, you baby, ABS, you I'm not here for division, I'm here for unity. No matter how much people might want to destroy my name or want to say for me to look like the devil himself, it doesn't concern me much. What concerns me is the legacy of Papa Najatuho. We are say, at times when I wake up in the morning, I'm beginning, it scares me.
Ebusia mama wapa ba Embra 2 Magi Age. Make sure you subscribe to your page, like and share. Naja will comment and mama. In July, ebetu dwa say honorable Adwa Safo esie ni papa Apostle Dr. Kwadwo Safo. Na menu yeni na ye nim say anse na ye no kwa be koso no na nsem wo ye ne ho anase nsem wo abusua ne ho yie pa. Ye na wie. Enkofo ebisa say Mama Akofena ewo we mu no eno na wo so onye papa yie. Nanso honorable Adwa Safo afa ne nwa na chi aye na yie no. Sisi na ye na koso awie no na Akofena ono kasa ba ye na yie anase obejai amaka. Ebi nso ebisa se Adwa Safo ya asodin efa ne bra na chi ye yie. Sisi ano Kristo asafo asore no. Obetime tu na yesimu biem anase mpenfu bejai amaka. Ebusia nkofo ebisa se sisi ano who is the leader of the church. Ebetu dwa se na Akofena installing him as the leader of the church despite the court injunction. Wadi enkomo ewo Onia FM eyi ne ho ano akasa bebre. Ebusia yenkwe na yenkotie nia okan no embra sisia.
Sounds quite interesting because the awutre no not what it means is that uni ebusiano enyankita hudie, and then likewise one would have thought say uni unianoma kanso ebenya same nkita hudie. Just about last 2 weeks again we saw interesting footages oko transitions wohachwa kasa na esiho. Even before that, about a day or two before the said data na omwashese omudebe ye per billboards yehu ye ewo montin so nyina no, you were seen in a vehicle that was celebrating the outcome of a court proceeding, indicating say there is a judgment moje again more placing an injunction on the said funeral arrangement. Any data na unuanoma akano asete, and the hope was that on the said date no incessant gathering big kra no ekoso. Again yenyan ntieni bi say o papa sebe nemu kra no na munim baby a ewo, and the allegations were that Unia Adwa Safo na eye in custody of the remains of eye or father. For that reason no ebusuano sheno court ne shene say ontimi fa munimra na munyina no montenase. It looks as if say either the court injunction, the outcome of the court proceedings, any the court so nyina no entimi anya adwuma. 2 weeks ago we saw a celebration ewo moan kasa papa na dwuma ene ne fie kase mo ewo gomoa ene ne mpate mo. Over this weekend and so yehu say Kumasi so a similar event happened. The former vice president Dr. Bawumia graced the occasion, and in seeing all of this, we are satisfied. Say baby amujina say regardless of the SCBR no o papa ye no moye. For that reason no mo best settle mo issues as a family na afi mo jesi hwa.
I come from a family, as I said, and the junction issue, let me say Ghana there's arms of government. We have the legislature, judicial, and the executive. I pray and I know very well, sir, and we have very competent and very good judicial system, which I know, sir, it will take its course. Me, let me be very frank with you today. I have no intention of escalating more issues. One, I have no intention of causing any blood relation of mine any kind of pain or harm or anything. It goes against my beliefs. It goes against what I stand for as a man. It goes against everything that even Sebi Papa Ijademame. I told you, sir, I'm very well trained. I'm so trained to the extent, say, if Sebi will not permit me to do certain things. Never. And to me, even in terms of say for nobody wins in this matter. Akofena doesn't win. My sister doesn't win. The only person that is supposed to win in this matter is one person. Papa Apostle Dr. Emeritus Producer. That is all. It is not like a competition whereby Akofena Nkrofo na Winko. There is no Nkrofo, there is nothing. I mean, It is one people. It is one Pustafo. It is one Kantanka family. My siblings you see out there, the kind of things we will do. It will surprise you. Then it will be the Yetia no or Hano. Because here in Yeshiane, Nyamana Akocho Kakra, Nenso, blood is blood. No matter what is happening, Biano. Sebi mena make an ebia wo baby ada ebia wo busun bia esi wo busun bia mu ehye de mfo na sebi eda bonten ya ababaye amount for different center of discussion or more a discussion. I mean these things they will pass anya de bia na member dina anka assembly emma ochine bi enne na ebia I say but now so what if tomorrow campers are come and we decide to meet as a family? When with Nahan Kasan Koko Bibri, Ma Dachi B Sebe, in Kabumu Air Bar, people will hinge on the pain, the scars of the past. You understand? I mean, I'm not in the mood for, and I say, ready for these things. Yeah, I've seen Kono Sebe. As I said, I come from a family that wants to keep our issues private and just alone with us. I come from a church, I said, and say, we don't wash our daily laundry in public. Mopanche say bia and send me honoma musamia munya and ye send ye mopresenka. But I've always been a private person. I respect the church that I go to. It has leaders. These are people I mean, you know, I saw them as fathers, the likes of the head of the council of elders, the likes of my big brother, the general secretary. I mean, people that have said so much. Among some papa actually with their life, their families, their money, their time. Time is something that if you give, you don't get it back again. All you have to do is to make sure that is what I concern myself with. Until you didn't say the person not talk about Kasa, everything or the more I say will fuel whatever that is going on from my heart. I love my siblings. I cannot stop loving them. I can't hate them. Ubia said you or call will still be welcome to the church. I'm not here for division. I'm here for unity. No matter how much people might want to destroy my name or want to say for me to look like the devil himself, it doesn't concern me much. What concerns me is the legacy of Papa Najatuho. We are say, I find when I wake up in the morning, I'm a it scares me. Mopancha me say be and send me one man to me the church because Papa Netias the first question come Bubusa when it say Apostle Tiasia. Now baby say is here. Would he come out and speak? If he will, then I will speak. But some Papa and Kasa I can't do anything contrary to what my training tells me or what I have been trained to do. Actually, I said,
yes, yati was here from the perspective of free air banner, but in all of this, we do not have a problem. We are very much satisfied with some of the answers but again, and Komaya would teach you Naswano pan yes Ghana Nina OT and the seeming supporters are as a way far way see and all of that. You have shown and demonstrated, sir. You are the leader now, as a stance. Wuni wuniamo entawantawe biano eniho. But again, enkosi da ben na Ghana nino ebehu se yes, that unity here anope udi hun komoino and manifest it so that those who seem to be say wamu fuel the said confusion anope ama abeye very necessary say you be having this conversation will be very clear in their minds say indeed. Eya asem na aba eya busu nso asem eba ye kan ofie ye kan wo dem
you make my chair mu kakra ne se kwa me on se ohwe nso hye se wo de kettle sa round cold one be
yeah
and I say share even kettle and kase mu na wo hitia and I say e wo just na say hitia kwa say dey ejo
exactly
na make can say campus might be high today. Before you adebia say eba it blinds certain parts of your nerve system you don't think, you don't reason. You allow the person that caused that anger power over you until you sit down angry. You spend quality time on somebody rather than yourself. If you have clarity in life of trying to reach your higher self as an
FM 95.1.
Now, I have given time some time. Nipa to the beer a same seer and Yumbia Nipa a senalo.
Yeah.
In Tibia in Kabumu and Enron and free me and I say and said for Yakofena I know the so can Nipa they will speak the same language that the other person speaks. No matter what, every kind of dialogue, every kind of negotiation, tabled discussion there that has to go on for this legacy of my father to go on smoothly. It will go on. Sabe only people now ototo nsabono no ombubia. Obato nsa kokosi da ben. Ono ne be ko kokosi da ben.
FM 95.1.
Sabe mianomo enta watawa mianomo ntoko ba afuni ni ensa ana sebi tena me kan edin ama ababeto abontin. But Adebia I walk obia na was say yeah attention. I promise Ghanaians, I promise my church members, I promise everyone say I Akofena for you. Kantanka. Nakoso I am to make sure that peace is prevailed.
Very well. I understand you perfectly. Now, based on that, you be calling, but again, Ghana Nina OT would wish to know, sir. At least, or say at the end, no incident no happen here in your absence. But after say happen here, no, or you nearby what take steps, only let them come to a far extent, say be cry waiting me astra. No, now afe yemra, as it stands this morning, I ye dim komwe one kasa any wunyano ma akani sorry no, o papa ye moye. And now say and also the who was social media no idea. I mean we need not to pay any necessary attention to it.
Let me say Abusia a press conference I didn't send me to that before said your papa me say on only paternal family no better we asemo. Me na way me say eja any leader, any head of the family. And so you bought a bushia for Francois a free asumina. You went penny full moon, me were a bushia penny a woman. No need to be at a him at cinema maybe I mean with the tea. You think penny full share a total, and the press conference about Abontin. This is the family of Papa Netiasen, or down the ditch, we are saying, the mass, send a bushina, people he aligns himself with in you. And you know, yen na share to agini and the man the press conference bar Abontin. Sana make no ebusua bia ntawatawa wo mu na edini na soya de ne so enti na ma we no sabi o atwagu bebia obia tibia obia can be me personally me penisa and personally that is why here obia nti manuka sebia mfi mbra meja ekora because I was trained by my father. Upon the shedder at the intertears from I wouldn't find it easy adopting service Bantia Martina UK, Ako School, Honoma, FA UK at the age of 16, Ako America. Ako to America for 3 to 4 years. Abba back as a commercial pilot. Maybe a Bantia, Sebu, Ebusian Sabu, Akrebi. My life and what I am doing now was totally different, but I had to discipline myself, understand what I need, and understand that my father isn't getting any younger. Into coming to him to learn from him and adjusting to my calling in life, it wasn't easy. But me, you making sure say be able into Bushia de Assembly to Abontin say ni Ken Mentime wants it back who be ebeba lenso sebo empanyimfo ewufi yentumi nkase obi aye say yenso ekokutu anamo afakoye ye eseneta yentumi nsa nti yehwe ma bibia for sebena ebusia ni din ensamba app yum ewo Abontin kantanka kotoko busia ewo suminya ewo nhihye bibra ye se yenhihye isia the mother to ga bia aso active
abusia meda se ojimre ehweye Akofena akasa bebre ma ode epachew nyina aba nse wadwentire ewe ho tire wadwen ewe comment section ho efa mame sanso na me hwɛ se obe like obe share edi amame.